Hey guys, so I just got these things from AliExpress. The thing is, I have these Godox flashes from for Sony, not from Sony, for Sony. And the problem with the Godox flashes or Sony flashes in general is that if you have basic flashes, this is going to be the mount. And hope the camera focuses. And as you can see, there's a notch here that holds the front part on the hot shoe, but the other part here is broken. So yeah, the problem is if there's this gap here, I mean the other side, and then every time you try to use the camera, you might break that. So what I did was I broke the other side, and it's not gonna sit properly on the hot shoe, or like yeah. And the other flash that I have, the bigger one, I have this big TT685, and the problem with it is also look at the mount. So yeah, I broke the back part. So with the smaller one, I broke one of these two fins in the tip. For the bigger one, I broke everything at the back. So it's quite frustrating, and this goes out to all the Sony mount flashes. And yeah, so the high-end Sony flashes has a metal, all metal mount that goes there. This one here has part plastic and part metal, and the metal does not help in securing it to the hot shoe. So I was about to chuck my flash away because I had this one here. It's like there's nothing in here. Like yeah, I removed it and like oh man. But later on I found out that you can replace it. So I tried to check on AliExpress. They're not that expensive. So I ordered two, one for the smaller camera, flash, not camera, and one for the bigger one. So the problem that I have now is that I got the one for the TT350S, and that was good. But this one I got the other part, and it does not have a ribbon cable. I was like, this is wrong. And when I look at the black part, it's metal, so it looks like it's from Canon or Sony. So this is the wrong part. So it's okay. I'm gonna try to send it back to them and have it replaced. But yeah, I was a bit happy to see that it is metal, and I was thinking it's for Sony, but it's not for Sony. So this one's going back. And the one that I got for this one, it's quite good. As you can see, I'll show you. Look at that. So this one, it goes all the way through, and same with other parts. So like when you try to put it on the hot shoe, it's not focusing. Come on, focus. Yeah, when you try to put, come on, focus. Camera's not focusing. Anyway, when you try to put it on the hot shoe, it's gonna sit well, and it's gonna be a bit stronger. It's not that strong. It's still plastic. It's gonna be stronger than the old one. Where's the old one? So I'm gonna look at that. I'm gonna compare the old one, the new one. This is the old one, and this is the new one. You can see the bottom part. I'm in the center. I'm gonna go center. It's quite, this screen here is quite confusing, but yeah, that's it. So yeah, I like this, and I hope they send me a replacement for this one soon. I hope they're not gonna give me problems, but yeah, was a bit happy with this one. But anyway, we're gonna try to assemble it. Actually, I just assembled this. I'm just gonna go give you a flashback. Well, I was assembling it. So it was a lot of bloopers. I was assembling it while I was live. So yeah, enjoy. So we're back. Yeah. I hope we're back. Oh, we're back. Cool. I can't see anything. I can just see it here. Anyway, yeah, what we're going to do now instead is we're gonna try to fix this. But yeah, my table's too crowded. We'll find a way to clear the table now. So, yep. There's a lot of stuff here. I'll show you my table. Okay. I'm looking at it blind. There you go. Gonna position the microphone somewhere far. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Bit of noise. Yeah, there you go. Microphone's there. Yeah, it's a bit of crowded tape. So who's up? let's just carry this thing off. Yep, I think we need a bit of light. Okay, that's a bit of light. Is that okay? That should be fine. So yeah, we're just gonna try to fix this thingy. This is the wrong one. This is the one he sent me, which is incorrect. It's supposed to be here. This one's from here. So it should have a ribbon cable like this. So yep. So yeah, this is the correct one. This is the incorrect one. So this is gonna be, we won't be fixing this, but we will be fixing this. It's just if you wanna like disassemble a flash, just be careful because there are capacitors here and might electrocute you. So like, yeah, it could kill. So this is so basic. Just have this one here. Remove the screws. There you go. And I don't have any tape here. Yeah, here it is. Sorry about that, guys. Okay. So, what I usually do is whenever I disassemble something, I usually put a tape around there. Something like that. That way. And then, whenever you get some screws, you just put them there. So you're not gonna lose the screw because it's gonna stick there. If you have a magnet, you can use a magnet. I don't have a magnet. So just remove this second one. There you go. And then remove this one here. There are 4 screws here. There you go. So you open up this and you can see there's a ribbon cable there. So all you have to do is just pull that out. So you have that. Supposed to pull out using those 2 things there, but they're too small. I'm just gonna pull. Hope I don't break it. Okay, there you go. So yeah, this is it. And where's the replacement? This is the replacement. So I'm gonna show you guys again. Look at that. So look at that. Replacement. All good here. This one is cut off. So this is the original one. It has space here. This one doesn't have any space. This one has getting confused now. This one has a space here. And Siri just, I'm not sure I understand. I'm not talking to you, Siri. Sorry about that. So this one here has a space. This one doesn't have a space, but the good thing is this is gonna lock to the hot shoe properly. This is just a replacement, so I can say it's good quality. I've been saying it again and again, but yeah, let's attach it. How did I put it? Yep. So you just have that, and then you're just gonna put the ribbon wire back in. Yep. I hit myself with a microphone. I'm supposed to have a tweezer to do it, but I don't have a tweezer. Don't have tools here. So I'm just gonna use my finger, hoping I won't ruin the ribbon cable. There you go. There you go. Let's just push it. There you go. So you can see it's in. Okay, so let me just try to push it some more. There's 2 cables. And just close it. Careful not to ruin the cable. How do you, yeah, that way. So let's just try to put 2 screws on it and test it. I don't have batteries for this thing. Yeah, no batteries. Okay. Whoopsie. What the? It's magnetic, so it should stick. There you go. Okay. By the way, this screwdriver, I've had this for years. We had a shoot at Leyte with Ian, and I had yung no flashes. You know, yung they usually break. So while at Leyte, we bought this screwdriver there to fix my flash, and voila, I still have it now. It's been years and years, like years. So there you go. It's done. And let's try to get a camera. I don't have batteries, I reckon. So I don't know. But we'll see. I don't know if my audio is delayed. I don't have anything to monitor my audio, but let's see how this goes. Okay. So the only thing I don't like also of this thing is that it's made of plastic. The Sony, the Nikon ones, they're made of metal. Check that out. So, yep, they're made of metal. This one's made of plastic. Let's test it, see if it works. It's on. Oh, yeah, it works. Yep. I'm gonna blind you guys. There you go. So yeah, it's working. And the old one, which is this, yeah. So whenever I put it in, it's gonna, how do I show it to you? Whenever I put it in, it just, see that? So I try to put it in, and it does that. So this one here, manual focus, there you go. So that's cut off, and I hated it's plastic. This one's also still plastic, so this might break, but I'll be careful. This is much better. It's much more protected than this one. Yeah, there's like tiny things holding the tip, so it's frustrating. Sony, why are your mouse like this? So yeah, that's it. That's it. So yeah, that was me having a lot of bloopers and filming it. Yeah, I usually don't script my videos, and that's why I create a lot of mistakes and everything else, and I have a lot of bloopers. So that one was instant, and it was live on Facebook. So yeah, happy with this. Frustrated with this, but all good. So yeah.